When I look into somebody's yard, the grass is greener on the other side. When I look into somebody's yard, people living there have better life. When I look into somebody's yard, birds are singing in better voice. When I look into somebody's yard, people living there have better choice. But the plants can't yell, and the stones can't cry. So how am I supposed to know whether I am wrong or right? How are we supposed to know whether we are wrong or right? When I look into somebody's yard, people living there have more success. When I look into somebody's yard, I am craving to get access. When I look into somebody's yard, I am feeling that I have failed. When I look into somebody's yard, I feel sad and I feel derailed. But suddenly the plants can yell, and suddenly the stones can cry. And this is when I quiet down, and this is when I hear their vibe. Only if we quiet down can we really hear their vibe. When I manage to quiet down, this is when I do understand that the garden on the other side is the garden where I do stand. When I look into somebody's yard, having peace in my busy mind, then I look into somebody's yard, realizing this yard is mine. And this is when the plants do laugh, and even when the stones do sing. Only if I quiet down, only if I go within, only if we quiet down, only if we go within. If I look into somebody's yard, when I look into somebody's yard, then I look into somebody's yard, realizing this yard is